Samsung is going big with the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and let me tell you something good about the Galaxy S23 Ultra, as we're expecting more from S23 Ultra, not just this new feature. As on Weibo, we saw the Galaxy S23 Ultra battery and it is 5000 mAh. Yes, same as Galaxy S22 Ultra, which was not up to the mark as with the Snapdragon Gen 1, and we all wanted a bigger battery, at least 5500 mAh in the Galaxy S23 Ultra. But as per this battery leak, we are not going to get a bigger battery. But the good news is that Galaxy S23 Ultra will come with the power-efficient processor and one special feature that we have seen on the Z Fold 4, the light power mode. Now what's special about this feature? Well, it will keep the refresh rate at 120Hz, but your processor will use the less power, which means you guys will get a better battery backup on the S23 Ultra. But if you guys are up for S23 and S23 Plus, then a big update is coming to the battery. Yes, 200 mAh battery update on the both devices. And for the ones who want faster charging on the S23 Ultra, then please don't expect. As per certification, Galaxy S23 Ultra will come with a 25W fast charger, but exynos didn't agree and claims that it will come with a 45W fast charger. Still, no update over S22 Ultra, so you can expect the same charging speed on S23 Ultra. A quick like for this video will be amazing. The processor will make a big impact on the battery of Galaxy S23 Ultra, but things didn't stop here. Snapdragon Gen 2 will be one of the most powerful processor of this year and potentially for the next year, since Qualcomm is going to launch Snapdragon Gen 2 in an event which is going to be held on November 15. As this processor beat a 16 Bionic chipset in GPU performance, has 11% faster than a 16 Bionic chipset, so it will be a big question how optimized it will be, since raw performance is not everything for a good processor. The big update over the years we might see on the Galaxy S23 Ultra is its cameras. As you might heard already before, the Galaxy S23 Ultra will come with a 200 megapixel camera, the best in the market, which will come with the additional option, and I already talked in my previous videos, the screenshot of 50 megapixel option. So now you guys will have three options: 200 megapixel, 50 megapixel, and 12.5 megapixel, which will be a default option, and a boost in resolution for portrait video, potentially 2.8K or 4K resolution. Not to mention, but chances are there we might see a camera update on the S23 base model and the S23 Plus. The release date is somewhat controversial for the last few days, with some claiming that we might see a S23 Ultra in January and as early as 23rd of December. But leaks were busted, as confirmation is here from South Korea. Galaxy S23 Ultra will come in the first week of February, and the phones will hit the market on 17th of February. If you want to see the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 200 megapixel first camera sample, then you guys should check this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.